Year's Eve to everyone out there. Again, hope you all had a good Christmas. Thank you from OTG, from the staff, and from myself for all following us on Facebook and Instagram, and of course here on YouTube. Thanks to all my suppliers out there. Thanks to my staff. Just thanks to everyone. What a great time. Anyway, what are we doing here on New Year's Eve? I'll tell you what we're doing. We're working. Why not? What can you do? It's not like you can go anywhere, right? Anyway, let's take a look at what's happening here. The 80 Chev pickup cab. Got her sitting in here. Look at that. She's all sprayed up, looking sexy. There we go. This is the factory color. I forget what they call it. I do believe they just call it medium metallic gray, to be honest. But we did look up the paint code, and this is it. So again, firewall, jambs, interior. Most of the interior is covered with plastic. Like all the headliners covered, everything's covered, but we spray it all. The floor we're gonna do later now in our texture spray. So we'll mask off all the jam areas along here, then we'll spray the floor in texture. We just don't do it first because it's easier to do it after, because if we'd done it first, then we'd have to mask that with paper. Then you try and crawl in and out of the vehicle, and the paper's ripping and tearing, and you're slipping and sliding, and we all know what happens when you get a little slippery and wet, right? All right, there we go. So that's what's happening there on this New Year's Eve day. Let's take a look over here and see what's going on. Okay, so the Mustang, the old Rustang. What are we doing here? Well, I'm getting in the seat riser pieces. I repaired this piece. It was all rotten, and I had to put it, I can't really film in here properly. I had to put a lip along here, and the front was rotten. I put that all on, so we got that one in there. You're probably wondering why the tape's there. I was just going to spray a little bit of primer there, and I didn't want it to go anywhere else because I'm still welding in a few little areas there. So I got to get the other one done today, and it's laying on the other side over here. I did start on that too. There it is right there. So I'm going to get that one all done and get that one put in place, and then we'll come in here, see what's happening. Do you notice from the last videos that the 58 Chevy is turned around? Well, guess what? She's running. She's on her own power. She's moving. Chris has got her started running. She's just purring like a kitten. Now remember though, it is a 92 Ford chassis this old girl's on, and it's a diesel. But she's turned around and she's working like a, I don't know, just working better than Santa Claus would with Rudolph. And then the Karma Gia. Oh my God, I hope Sarah, I hope you're out there watching, because I don't want you to think every time I give you a bill you're like, what the hell, because a lot of work is hidden. But Sarah bought the pieces that go in behind here. It's one piece that goes in here. They don't make the rest of this, and we get in here to put that piece in, and everything is gone. And then you get into the doorpost, and it's gone. And it just is, oh my God. And what do you do? Because you can cut the one piece out, but how do you weld it to another part that's rotten? You don't. The good news is these cars are worth quite a bit of money when they're done. I was doing a little research on these cars. If they're done nicely like this thing, they're going for like 40, 50 grand. So, and you know, at the end of the day, it's what you love, it's what you want, and you know what you got at the end of the day, so it's beautiful. So Sarah, if you're out there watching, if there was any decision on ever changing color or what you're going to do, now's your time, because you've gotten this far, you can do whatever you want. I believe she's painting out a newer Honda Silver. It's a pretty color, looks good. But that's what's going on there. Don't know what else to tell you, except, again, Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, all that BS. Check us out on OTG. You know where to find us. Find us on Facebook at Old Time Garage. Find us on Instagram at Rick's_Old Time Garage. And have a happy New Year. Have a safe New Year. But I know it'll be safe because there's nothing to do. See you later.